What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. This time I'm gonna talk about the wheel setups I've actually had on the Vet. I'm gonna start off with the custom ones that I had made, which are the F14s by Forgestar. I started off with those. I got them custom made because, as you guys know, I went Widebody, and so I sent them off to get made. Here's the specs. I don't even know them by heart. It's a 19 by 10 up front with plus 30 offset, and originally we put it on a 305/30 19 tire up front, Toyo 888 R. So I was having issues with it just rubbing extremely bad because I have the base model Corvette C6. So the front fender was not wide enough. I was gonna go with the flares, but I ended up going a different route, which you guys will see as soon as I get them in. I'll install that, and on the rears, I ended up going with a 19 by 12 with an offset of -25. Yeah, extremely deep, which they're called the ultra deep concave by Forgestar, which is the deepest concave they carry. And the front was just I think because they got super concave, so it was the one before that, just a concave, and you can still see like a little concave to it. So I started off with the 345 on it, and it was a 345/35 19 tire, the Toyo R 888R, and this one actually it was pretty wide. That thing looks really nice, but the issue I was having is that it was I would bottom out. Like if I had a passenger, any hard bump, I would bottom out and it'll hit my fender.
Yeah, that's a nice floor.
I don't even want to step on it.
They put dirt all in there already. No, man. Use the dirt to make it look like it's all frozen. Huh? No, the dirt makes it look like it's all frozen. Hey, great. Which wheels lucky? Which wheels are tires? Which 4 wheels?
Estoy grabando y aquí ya nomás estoy haciendo. That's a lot of meat there, boy. A little bit. That's why I changed up all my tire sizes. Then I switched it up to up front. I went with a 255/35, which fit a bit better. I wasn't having as much rubbing issues as I was originally with the 305 on that 19 by 10. So it was good, but I still wasn't happy with it. And then in the rear, I did the 305, which was the one I had up front, which had a mild stretch to it, and still I had to lift my car up, just come up a bit on the suspension, since it's adjustable. It's got a bolt that you can come up and down with, about an inch play. So, and still I was rubbing. So man, I ended up I did the 285, which fit a lot better. It's got more of a stretch, which I know a lot of you guys don't like, but it's just a preference thing. I like it myself. But for this car, I didn't want to go that route. I wanted some meat, you know, some big white tire on it, which is what you need to do on these cars. And so then after that, I was still rubbing, so I went to a 275 35 with a Continental and Extreme Contact, which it's an awesome tire. So my current setup now is 275 35 rear and 245 35 up front, which I went out another size, and just so it can look stretch as the back. So that's the current setup right now. All right, see, those are the Continentals, the 275 35 right there. So I'll let you guys in how much that wheel pokes out. Yeah, pokes out quite a bit. It gives it that aggressive look. And that's the 19 by 10 up front, 245 35. See, as a poke out. So I'm actually planning on going wider up front, but we'll see how it plays out. That's my current setup right now. Look at the poke on it, and I do have it dropped up front. I think I dropped it about 1/2 inch, so I'm sitting pretty low, and I dropped it a bit more in the back, which, as you guys can see, I'm still kind of rubbing a bit, you know, but not as much. And yep, that's the setup right there. There it is. All right, moving on to the next setup. This is the other wheel setup right here. This is the one I'm trying out. There's a tire size right there, 325 30 19 on a Goodyear Eagle F1. So supercar 3R run flats. So that's actually what I used at the track this last time that I went, and they're sticky. You can still see how, man, I tore these things up. Look at that. Ooh-wee. So I gotta clean all this up as well. See how I got rubber all on my carbon. So anyways, this is the fitment on these. These came off of a C8, and for my wide body, they sink in a little bit, so it probably needs about, it's got like another, yeah, about 1/2 inch to stick out and sit flush. Yeah. So this is a fitment for the rears, and I mean, it doesn't look bad. See, the tires look nice and wide. Yeah, they're nice and wide, so they look good. I guess a lot of people like the flush fitment on these cars. I know I got quite a bit of a fuzz about me running a really aggressive wheel setup on the car, so they don't like the poke. They like the flush fitment with the flush tire fitment on the wheel as well. See, this one's stretched, but that's what it looks like. And this is a 19 by 11 forged line. I don't know the exact offset on it. I'll take it off of the wheel and I'll see what offset it has. But yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. That's it. Those wheels. It's just the rear setup. All right. Let's get into the next one and last one. All right, guys, so this is a new wheel setup right here. Yeah, buddy. What y'all think? I'm sorry, man, I'm over in this dirty little parking lot, so, but let's check it out. Something fitment. Open so loud. Race Masters. Alright, so this wheel setup, let me talk to you guys a little bit about it. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the idle. So this wheel setup right here, it's a 20-inch up front with the tire size. Here, let's see what tire size this is. Tire size 215, 35, 20. I was having a hard time finding a tire that'll fit this, but I found it, and I love the way it looks. I love the stance. I love the big wheel in the back. The back wheel is 17 by 11. 17 by 11 with the tire 325, 45, 17 Racemaster. So that's what I'm running. I got a little bit of rubbing because I had it dropped with the other wheels, so I'm actually on both sides. So I just need to stiffen up my shocks. See, you guys can see. Woo, sticky. So I got some rubbing there, but everything's good, bro. And see on this side too. But man, those are sticky. And man, I love the fitment on it. It looks so sick. So that's the fitment on these wheels. I love these wheels, man. I can't wait to take it to the track and see what it does. I'm sure they're gonna grip. They are gonna grip. And man, I can actually, I think today is like 98 degrees, and I can just leave this car idling, and I am not even close to 200 degrees. I'm a little bit below, actually. I'm nowhere near 220. So I love it. I love it. So that is the setup, and hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it'll help you guys choose what wheels y'all want to go with. So I'm gonna keep these wheels for now and see how I like them, and then I'll just go back and forth with the Forgestars and with these. But these are one of my favorites, actually. If the Forgestars did not have such an aggressive poke, those probably would be my favorites. I would run the 888s easily, and the 345 30s in the back, man, and they would look so freaking sick. But the stance on them, the poke is just, the fitment is so aggressive on the rear, you know. So I got more coming soon on the Vet. Just did some upgrades to the cooling system. It worked amazing. Y'all make sure y'all check out those videos. Be on the lookout for them. And I'm waiting on some more parts for it. So I have more parts that I have, but I don't want to install them yet until I get the parts I need that I'm missing for the full look. It's gonna be for the front. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you guys like, share, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I appreciate you guys for supporting me. I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers. Looking forward to it. Once I hit 1,000, I'm gonna give out some free shirts here and there. We'll see, man. Hey, also, anytime y'all see me at a meet, at a car show or anything, y'all make sure y'all go talk to me. I'll give y'all a sticker. I always have them on me, so y'all make sure y'all go check that out. And hey, we'll see what's up, man. I'll see you guys around.